of the Always Believe House. Oh, today we're going to review for your test over polynomials and factoring, okay? It's a big test. What I've done is I've gone to the book that you normally would get. We don't really use the book here, but these are problems from the chapter review in the book, okay? So a magical whiteboard appears, and if you click on the PDF in the Canvas lesson, you get this right here. So this would be at the end of the chapter in the Pearson book. They're called topics, okay? And this is over the factoring, where you multiply polynomials, you add polynomials, and you factor polynomials. So this is your polynomial arithmetic chapter, okay? Notice there are a ton of problems, okay? And also, you cannot do your problems on this PDF. You're going to have to get your own paper. So basically what I'm going to show is how to do this on your own paper, because you probably never have done this before. Also notice that there's examples of how to do these problems to the left. Do y'all see that? Okay, so to the left, let me clear this up. Let it go. Quick. Faster, get going. Clear. Okay, so to the left, you can kind of see that they give you examples how to do the problems, okay, which will help out. I'm not going to make you do all these problems. I'm not even going to make you do the odds or the evens. So you need to get your own notebook paper out. In Canvas, it tells you the problems you're supposed to do. So this is what your paper is going to look like. You're going to get your own notebook paper out, okay? Notice I have kind of like the margins. I freehanded this. You'll put your name at the top left. You'll put the date at the top right. And on the title line, this is going to be Test 4-Point Review. And notice I have all the problems I want you to do. Everyone got that? Don't worry about copying these down. This is right off the Canvas page. There's a lot of problems, okay? Once you know, like in a certain section, if you know how to do those problems, you're fine. This is just giving you repetition of these problems. I'm going to post a key for the entire review. Okay, so the entire review will be in the key. It will be posted. If you want to do more, you can. If you want to do less, you can. It's up to you. You need to do what you need to do to be successful on this test. Now then, once you start doing the problems, you do not put 1 to 20 down the page and do the problems left to right. The first problem we're going to do is 6. I'm going to put number 6 right here. I'm going to do my work going down the page. Do not do your work left to right. After number 6, I'm going to do number 9. I'm going to do the work down the page. After number 9, I'm going to do number 13. I'm going to do the work down the page. After 13, I'm going to do 15. I'm going to do the work down the page, and then I run out of room. So where will I put problem 16? I'm going to be like a type or a word processor. I'm going to go back to the right. I'm going to skip a row below the last problem, and then I'm going to put 16. Then you work down. Then you do 18. You work down. And then let's say we do 20. I work down. On this row, I only got 3 problems done, right? Some rows you'll get more. Some rows you'll get less. You'll skip a row. And then the next problem we're going to do is number 22, right? This is how you do your math work on your own paper. You do not put the problems down the left and work them to the right, okay? If you're doing your star reviews on your own paper, it should be similar to this, except some of the problems, like on the graphs, you're going to have to do it differently, okay? But this is what your math work will look like. So a typical math work on your own paper, you'll put the title at the top, and do y'all see how I have the problems I'm supposed to do? And then you just go down and you do the problems left to right, you finish up, and then you go back and you do left to right again, go down, do left to right again. Some of the problems may take more lines than the others. When you go back to the right, you'll skip a line and go down, okay? Check the key in the Canvas, so you got the key to the whole assignment there. It's like 90 problems. I did all the problems for you. I worked them out so you can see step by step how to get the answers, okay? Do what you need to do to be successful. If you need to do these problems that I got, do them. If you know how to do like a certain section, if you know how to do it, you don't need to do it, okay? But if you need more rep, you can, and if you need to do more problems, you can. So do what you need to do to be successful. Got to test in a couple of days. Tomorrow you'll watch a video over this, okay? Really cool test review video. Have a wonderful day. Remember, you are amazing, you are created to do wonderful things, and you are awesome.